Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless. If you value brand name and performance, the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Tire Inflator is a fantastic choice. It comes with various attachments, making it suitable for most vehicle tires and other inflatables. Plus, the preset gauge is straightforward to use. Although it may be a bit pricier, it is definitely worth the investment if you want one of the top portable air compressor tire inflators available. Built with premium quality materials and offering multiple power options, this tire inflator is perfect for roadside service technicians or anyone who wants to invest in reliable automotive care equipment. It surpasses standard dual power source tire inflators thanks to its superior build and performance. When it comes to speed and ease of use, the DeWalt truly shines. Setting up the valve stem is a breeze, although it would be great if the air hose were longer. Nonetheless, if you ever find yourself with a flat tire, this tire inflator is unquestionably one of the best options out there. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.